The reason I repeat the story about hell is because I don't want anybody to take the slightest chance of going there. It's merely to underscore the value of integrity for its own sake, not out of fear of hell, but out of knowing that we are completely and truly answerable to God. We are answerable to all God. So that adds a certain sincerity and importance. You begin to see that your decisions are not just frivolous, they're not just jokes, they're not just immaterial, that your life counts, and therefore every decision in your life counts. So you begin to own the worth, the impact of your own life. You see, when you dismiss everything as nothing and everything is a joke and everything is just a TV thing and all this, when you trivialize your life, you're trivializing that which is the most valuable thing that you own, and that is your life. So I say this only to underscore, to guard the sacredness of your life. Your life is sacred. It's because it's sacred, you have the capacity to uplift everyone on the planet by just what you have become. To verify the sacredness of your life, then, is to verify the sacredness of everyone's life, and thereby you lift the level of the sea and relieve the suffering of others who are on the other side of the world and don't even know that you exist. So, as we forgive and send forth that love, I always picture before I go to bed the relief of the suffering of all sentient beings and the animal kingdom. I picture a little child laying somewhere, hopeless and next to death, feeling abandoned, or some animal laying there suffering. Then I realize that our intention at that last moment, it can handle the suffering. It can handle it. It can. Because of us. So that's our gift. Back to thee, O Lord. Amen.